Welcome to the assembly manual for the TITO panel. Let's start step 1 with part 3 positioned. Fit the F accessories and then position part 12 and secure it with the J accessories. In step 2, with parts 3, 2, and 1 positioned, secure them with accessories G and L. And then use accessories R and L in the indicated locations. Fix the F accessories, and then, with piece 14, use the V accessory and fix it with the J accessories. With the F accessories, secure them in the indicated locations. Position part 13 in the indicated location, use accessory V, and secure it with accessories J. In step 3, attach the E accessories in the indicated locations and fit part 11, securing it with the J accessories. Fix the F accessories in the indicated locations, position part 12, and secure it with the J accessories. In step 4, position part 4, secure accessories E, then with part 6 positioned, fit it into part 4 and secure it with accessories H. Position part 7, fit accessories E, and secure accessories O. Repeat the process now on part 5, fitting accessories E and O into the indicated locations. Finalize by fixing the T accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the E accessories. Position pieces 8 and 9 and use accessory F. Place piece 9 under piece 8 as indicated and secure with accessory K. Now attach the O accessories in the indicated locations and attach all the T and S accessories. In step 5, attach accessories D, Q, and X in the indicated locations. Now, in part 10, use accessories B and I. Position accessory U in the indicated location and secure it with accessories L. Fit the E accessories in the indicated locations and secure the bottom part with the H accessories. And to finish, attach accessory P.